What is up, guys? Rus here in another live. When I started with the deliveries, we didn't get the last time. There are just a few of them. I scarcely remember what's inside. Let's unpack it together. This delivery is from Amazon. This time I guess we're having fewer Legos. This time we got more action figures. Yeah, definitely from Amazon. Some Minecraft stuff for the video with my son. Woo! Here is Batman and Batraptor, a vehicle. It's heavy. The next is Batman himself. Never had this one. The one from the movie. And the next is Sketch Edition. This one's like a sketched one. Yeah, cool design. And the poster. This is a big action figure. This is Anti-Monitor. I don't know who this is, but anyway, I collect everything from Batman. All the big action figures. McFarlane. Here it is. Anti-Monitor. That's a serious guy. Next is Batman with a painted face like the Joker. Look. Excellent. This one is from some comic, I guess. And we got Batman Green Lantern. Never had this one too. Cool costume. And there are two sets of changeable hands. A card. And looks like some stands or so. Here. And here with the DC logo. The box is empty. That's it. The next is the bag. And another box. And here we have a gift from Lego. We already had this one. A poly bag like this. 2 minifigures. A battle. Repton and Kai. This one isn't sold separately. Goes only as a bonus. And second gift is Dragon Rising. Another 2 minifigures. I try not to miss gifts like this. Always taking this chance. Yeah, here's little Simba. It was sold out before, so I had to wait. And what's this? Another action figure, and this is Azrael Batman armor. Look at this red Batman. Here it is. Listen. So much Batman stuff. Watched Batman and Ninja Turtles the other day. Never thought they would put them in one show. Here is Godzilla Kong. My son loved this movie. Gotta get Godzilla too. Listen, the quality is real good. So, we got a little gift for him. Next is Funko Pop, and this is Venomed Iron Man. There's a whole line of venomed ones. And let's start with the Iron Man. And also a light, Minecraft themed, for my son's video. Interesting. Some pieces. And it's Lego. So, what do we got here? Some boards. Why did I get them? Probably made a mistake. I don't know how to code trans blue, as I remember. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and something very small. Oh, a keychain. And it's Darth Maul. Why did it come separately? That's weird. So that's it. This is what we got this week. There should be something more. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you later. And here we have... yeah, we have some sets I bought. And I want to assemble this one first. Some friends. I got a little out of the Lego life. Had some rest. Sorted out the stuff. Yeah, that thing I bought the other time. So today we got a delivery. Also I did some shopping. Got the new Bumblebee Lego Transformer. Ordered a new Lamborghini. And some more sets. Yeah, some more sets to get the gift from Lego. And today we have a delivery. Chevrolet Camaro. I collect cars too, so I couldn't stand. Some pieces for the city. I see some diamonds, hats, and also some birds. Yeah, some birds. Here is some other deliveries in this format from different orders. What is this? This is a hat for my son. There is a lot of them. Yeah, let's start with the bigger ones. Oops, it was unpacked. Hope nothing is missing. What do we got here? Some boards, 16 by 16, 3 pieces, a minifigure. Who's this? Beetlezoid. Some alien, I guess. And here is a programmer. I like that this seller has unpacked and did some work for me. This pet groomer. A detective, black and white. Of course, 2 by 2 pieces. Yeah, that's a good seller. Always packed well. I would recommend them. Cases. Metamorph. Here. Who's this? A wheelchair racer. Yeah, another piece unpacked. A biker. Yeah, mountain biker. Nothing's missing? Yeah, nothing is missing. Why it was unpacked? Probably someone was checking for missing parts. A little box. What is it? A mini set? Gotta be cautious. What is it, a gift? Why is it sent separately? Is it mine? And it is a Microfighter. I guess it's from the other delivery. Let's check the big box. Something well packed. The sound suggests lots of foam plastic. Got a whole set here. And this is some American newspaper. What is it? I have no idea. What is it? Some medical stuff? Sudoku? That's hard. And it is called Midweek. Midweek. And this is Harry Potter. I ordered this one 2 or 3 times. One seller turned out to be a scammer, took my money and didn't send the set. And finally, this is the bus. And it is 3-story bus from Harry Potter. Here's the driver, some conductor, the ticket checker, yes. It opens like this. Great set. Next, it's Lego from the official store. Cool. That's it. Now I'll go finish the roads. 2x2 bricks. That's what I needed. What is it? Some cells? Some more? No list? No list. Okay, anyway, gotta check this side. Here is a cap and glasses for my son. Great. He'll be happy. So we got everything we needed for the Minecraft video. And tomorrow we're gonna shoot. Next, good thick bags. Empty. And pack like this. Yeah, the seller is really good. Just thank you. Wanted to recommend you this seller, but there is no info about him. What's here? Just brick link. And the address. What a pity. That's a cool seller. What is here? Not packed so well. Here are some pieces. Yeah, I wanted the gray ones. Engines. And also some random stuff. Boards. It's all used. I'll need them for the city. Yeah, for the city. And here we have knights. Like this. I'll show you all the figures in the end. And here we have a walkie-talkie, something transparent like this, and some more pieces. What's this? It's something Chinese. It's not original. So you can see, look at this. It's different. The one is taller. Nothing from Lego. Too bad, but that's not a problem. So next, we got a poly bag. This is Kylo Ren's shuttle. And pieces like this. I needed the white ones. And I added some more trash bins. Next is the packed ones. Something from the series. Here's the minifigure. We're gonna unpack it. 2x2. Can't get too much of that. It's a weird smell. Oh. This minifigure is from the garden set. The gardener. Yeah, the gardener. Like this. And this one. And this one. Also got some cases. Batwing. Yellow. Beards. Something like this. Cones. Brown ones. Flowers. And here's a bag. And we have some more bags. And we have minifigures. This is Harry Potter. This and like this. I'm gonna show it to you once I finish. Another bag. And this is a bag in a bag. And this is a bag in a bag in a bag. Yeah. And we have a lot of minifigures. Ah, I got it. Needed these ones for a vehicle from an old collection. I'm always looking for minifigures. Yeah, collectible ones. What is this? Oswald, Stitch. Like this. Mickey Mouse. Oh no, Minnie Mouse, sorry. Some animals. Batgirl. Like this. I don't know, to be honest. The Simpsons. It's good. Simpsons are good. Oh. Krusty. More Simpsons. And more. And more. We'll finish the collection soon. And this is some robot. And here we have Harry Potter. I guess. A horse. Why is it single? And a figurine with a dog. And the last one from the Lego store. What is it? Windows. And that's it. That's it. Now I'm gonna show you the minifigures. So friends, here they are, a whole army of minifigures. By the way, these are with no accessories. As always, clumsy sellers. Hope I can replace them. Yeah, hope I can replace them. The back line. Harry Potter. Again, my bad. Got the similar ones from different orders. I think that's not a problem. I can trade them. I don't know about these ones. Something like superheroes. I don't remember the series. That's a cool dog. Disney. 3 of Disney. Batman. A horse. A kid. Simpsons. And 2 knights. I got the spears and I got the bows. And half of the figures here I got just for this guy. Didn't want to overpay for the shipping, so I got as many as I could. So this is what I got. Some is from the collection from the last time. So guys, life goes on. We moved to the new apartment. This is my son's room. Here it is. Tucker is doing some Legos. Spider-Man. City. And the creator. And I did a little experiment. So, our country is located just near China, and the industry of shipping and trading is very good. So the shipping and trading, I never done that because I always thought China is something bad and of a lower quality. However, many brands have factories in China. So since 2016, even Lego has a factory there. Yeah, making some toys. So in 2022 there were some renovations, and China is now a big Lego supplier. Yeah, from that factory. So there's a new site Pinduoduo. We use it to get something for our studio, some furniture and stuff. Yeah, something not so big. I never thought there could be original Lego pieces and that there would be such a difference in price. So I did some math and I literally lost millions and millions. I decided to try it out and order a set to check if it's original. Because for example, a set can cost 5,000 and on the site, on Pinduoduo, it could cost 3.5. And also the shipping is much cheaper from the China than it is from the US. So it's $10 from the US. So I got the Jurassic Park set. So there is no difference from the original whatsoever. I asked why the price is lower. He said that the logistics are much simpler because it's produced just there in China. I unpacked it and it's a real deal. Everything is original. I am shocked. I looked for some Star Wars spaceships. So it costs about $650 in the US. And here it costs only $500. The difference is $100, $150, and even $200 sometimes. So it's 20% cheaper. The manual, the stickers are all the same. Now I want to assemble it to see how it goes. Is it good? Is it original? I am still shocked. And I guess I'm gonna use it every time. Yes, I'm gonna use it every time. So you get the same thing for the cheaper price, just for the logistics. Yeah, you overpay just for the logistics. So this is the math. Let's go. I got the deliveries. They came. They were missing ones. I got 2 big boxes. I didn't expect them today. So, the first one and the second one. Here it is. 2 big boxes. The first one is a little lighter. I guess those are the action figures. Yes, I got them from the official store. Oh no, it's Lego. Yes, it is Lego. Ninjago. Some dragon. Master Wu's dragon. No Master Wu here. Maybe he turned into the dragon. Egalt Master Dragon. 532 pieces. Next. Big city set. Whoa. That's a police island. A huge one. A cool dog. 2 boats. 980 pieces. 6 minifigures. At least. 7 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a dog. And a spider. Cool set. 980 pieces. Here they are. Just for the gifts. The box is a little deformed. That's bad. Too bad. Anyway. First gift. 46.88. Champions Cup. For a purchase for $150, you get 2 gifts. And the second one is, and this is tribute to Jules Vance. Some book. Who's this? Must be prominent man. Set number 4690. And here the set. This is Lego. That was the first box. Let's get to the second one. I guess it's Lego 2. They came really fast. It took just a week. Oh, something really big. Something really big. Woohoo! Right. That's the picture. Milky Way. That's the theme. 3091 pieces. This is from the Lego art series, Milky Way. It's a huge picture, almost 3100 pieces. Look, moving out from the old apartment, I found this piece from that one Ninjago set. I knew it was there, so I'm gonna show you what we got else from the collection we bought the last time. So guys, I finished a couple of sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. It's really hard to start from the very beginning because of the tight place. Yeah, no place for all the Legos. I put them all on the desk to make it easier to assemble. But you have to go around the boxes, they get damaged and stuff. Even if they are used, you don't want to damage them. But even the last time I got the same problem. Just for searching the details, I mean the pieces, you spent 2 hours or even more. Anyway, so let's go. Set number 76019. Marvel, Star-Lord, Guardians of the Galaxy. Unfortunately, it's missing a yellow piece. Yeah, this one. This one is missing its head. The rest is here. And this one is missing a helmet. It must be expensive. So that's it. Even the spare hair. Next is Spider-Man 76128. My son was waiting for this. The set is full. It has everything. And this... Oh, yeah, the Spider-Man is missing a nut. I got it somewhere, actually. Yeah, just gotta look. Everything is here. Next one is the set Ideas 21313. I want to assemble it badly because it's gonna look really cool. It's a little scratchy, but anyway, maybe it's even better, makes it more vintage. It's missing a part like this. Yes, something like this. I'm gonna order it. Yeah, I'm gonna order it. The rest is here. From the last collection, I have found the piece number 4441 for the car. Unfortunately, I couldn't replace it. So, yeah. But if you try, about 20% of the pieces are missing, but it's manageable. Yeah, don't have time. Next is 76058, Ghost Rider and Spider-Man, and also this guy. I don't know. The one throwing the pumpkins. What is it? The set is full. Even the stickers. That's a cool set. The rider has the non-detachable hair, Mescas a lot. And the main thing for the final part of the life, it's the set number 7648, Ninjago. As you remember, it's a collectible big fig. Not in a great condition, unfortunately. Anyway, it's here. So the only missing piece is the golden thing on the helmet, something like horns. So all the weapons and stuff is right here. Oh, also, a black thing like this is missing too, a blade or so. So everything is here, just the blade is missing. So this is the set, it's very expensive. Used ones cost about $250. Just the figure is the most valuable part. Got some stickers too. They're pretty rare. So this was the live. Working things out. Started to record some stuff. Full scale videos. Now we're gonna upload the old ones we've already recorded. And we're shooting the new ones, finally. So thank you all for watching till the end. It was Rus and RuBrick. See ya!